Welcome back! Get ready for 32 emoji puzzles that will test your brain. Can you solve them all? Let's go! Let's start with an easy one. Look closely at these emojis. The answer is pancake. Yum! Great job! Ready for a tricky one? Look at these emojis. It's glitter dumpling. Did you get it right? What amazing word do they make together? Can you guess it? Well done! The answer is Starbucks. Get ready for a magical puzzle. Look carefully. The answer is iced tea. Great job! Let's see how quickly you can find the hidden star. Awesome! You found the hidden star! What word do they make together? Can you guess it before the timer ends? Well done! Keyhole was the answer. What mysterious word do they make together? It's haunted castle. Did you solve the mystery? Can you guess this yummy drink? Well done! Chocolate shake was the answer. Can you guess this famous chocolate brand? It's Kit Kat. Did you guess it? Can you find the object that appears twice? Look carefully. You only have a few seconds. Time's up. The corn appears twice. Did you spot it? Can you guess this amazing flying insect? Time's up. The corn appears twice. Did you spot it? Can you crack this one? What's the word? It's raining cats and dogs. Did you guess it? Can you guess this peaceful place? Correct. Lake was the answer. What word do these two emojis make? Well done. Polite was the answer. Can you find the hidden word? Look carefully. You have 5 seconds. Go! It's London Eye. Did you guess it? Bonus challenge. 2 pictures look exactly the same, but one tiny detail is different. Can you find it before time runs out? Time's up. The difference is the cup. It changed from pink to yellow. Did you spot it? Here's a tricky one. What word do these emojis make? Awesome! It's cookie jar. Look at these 2 emojis. What word do they make? The answer is rainbow. Great job! Here's a refreshing one. What word do these emojis make? Well done! Coconut water was the answer. emojis, one word. Can you figure it out? Correct. Watermelon was the answer. Can you combine these two emojis into one word? Well done. Bubble bath was the answer. How many phones can you count? Look carefully and type your answer before time runs out. Time's up. There are 18 phones. Did you count them all? Ready for a fun one? What's the word? Well done. Home sweet home was the answer. Look carefully. What word do these pictures make? Correct. Photo album was the answer. Here's a handy puzzle. Can you guess the word? The answer is wristwatch. Great job. Here's a tasty one. Can you guess the word? Awesome! It's strawberry cake. Remember where every emoji is. Your 10 seconds start now. Where was the alarm clock? Choose the correct number. The correct answer is number 4. Did you remember it? Something cool is hiding here. Guess the word. Well done. Time machine was the answer. Look at these two emojis. What word do they make? It's banana split. Did you guess it? Can you guess this popular sport? Well done. Football match was the answer. Turn up the music. What word do these pictures make? It's rock band. Did you guess it? Think fast. Can you solve this legendary puzzle? Awesome! You solved the final challenge. Did you solve all the emoji puzzles? Tell us how many you got right and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. See you next time.